Hello world, Joel Merglot here from Merritt Ford. Pretty excited about this one. We've got a 2024 Ford Ranger XLT with only 18,500 kilometers on it. Fresh trade. This truck is awesome, next to new. Come check it out. So the inside of the vehicle, 18,000 kilometers on this vehicle, so it's next to new. There's really no blemishes in the truck itself. So you've got your cruise control, your lane centering, all your navigating tools to navigate and customize this screen in front of me. You got your climate controls, your comfort settings down low. So you got dual climate control with a nice auto setting. Kind of works as your thermostat does at your home. You set it for 20, your house stays that temperature. Same within this vehicle. It comes with heated seats, a really nice backup camera. You can pick to see what's behind you, or you can even focus more on the hitch itself, which is nice for backing up to a trailer without assistance. You've got your audio controls and some other great features in here that you can navigate through and select and customize this screen as well. We've got our dial shift for your 4x4 settings and your trailer tow settings. Again, this Ranger is well equipped with trailer brakes and a tow package. Also comes with the connected charging pad. You just set your phone down there and it will maintain the battery life for you as you drive. Nice storage features. Yeah, well equipped, nice, comfortable Ranger. So for a compact truck, I had this seat where I was sitting and where I was comfortable driving, and I still have space to sit back here and drive a distance in a comfortable environment. So the driver could be a taller person, and I'm just fine. We got some nice charging options back here, USB, the micro one, and 120 volt, 400 watt max, 3-prong plug as well. Little charging or a little cargo area there. Cup holders. Does seat 5, more comfortably 4. Nice truck in the back. You've got some hidden storage here. So you've got your tire change kit here, as well as some hidden storage for whatever you want to hide. Seat goes down nice and easy that way. Back of the box, really nice. There's a little step over here, same on that side, that you can come up, access your box, as well as the tailgate goes down. There's some clamp pieces here if you're working on the tailgate. This truck comes with a rubber bed mat in the back of the Ranger, as well as if you come around here, there's 2 power options here, 180 watt, 12 volt plug-in options here. This one's 180, this one's 120. So depending on what you're powering, things like that. Great for camping or working or whatever you're doing with the back of the box. 2024 Ford Ranger, 18,000 kilometers on it, next to new. Very, very nice shape, inside and out. Come down to Merritt Ford, 306-453-4444, call or text.